Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we would like to write a program that declares a vector of a string and print the first two elements of it. So here we are having a vector of type string and the name of the vector is my vector, and there are three elements in the vector. So this vector is having three index 0, 1 and 2. Index 0 is for the first element, index 1 is for the second element, and index 2 is for the third element. Now we would like to print two elements of it directly. So we can simply do it like the first name is, and we name the vector here. In the braces, we are going to write the index of the first element, which is 0. In C++, we start from 0. This one is 0, then 1 and 2, the indexes. The second one, we name the vector, and in the braces, we are going to simply put the index of the second name, which is Bob, whose index is 1. So basically, using this code, we can access the elements of this vector of a string. So the first name is Alice, the second name is Bob. So here we learned how to access each elements of a vector. Thank you for watching.